don't know how to start this video. Hi. Today, I will be showing you all a tutorial on how to make Gucci at home for a very cheap price of $1. Today, I will be showing you how to make this shirt right here, and it will look just like the real thing, super authentic, as we all know, but it's also super cheap. So first thing you will need is a white shirt. Obviously, you're gonna need a white shirt or any shirt. Yeah, and then you will need the colors of your shirt. I'm doing this one, so I only have these 3 colors. All right. Okay, alright, here we go. Now we will actually do this. So, I will start and I will come back to you when I have... Alright, and here we are so far. This is what I have so far. So far, I think, from a visual comparison, it looks almost exactly the same. But, yeah, oh god, this is not gonna be easy with one hand. Hold on. Okay, finally, I have figured out a way to do it. So now we're just gonna do the other C. As you can see so far, it's perfect. Like, it looks exactly like the picture. Okay, and now the third C. Wait a second. Hold on. Fuck. Just cross that out. Anyways, and now we'll add the I. Perfect. Look at that. Gucci. Alright. Now, we will use our green. Yeah, let's use the green. We'll draw a big circle right here. Yeah. Oh my god, it looks just like the real thing. There's nothing that... I'm just gonna shut up. Okay, so now we do that, a little bit of that. Oh, God, I'm an artist, honestly. I think it's pretty clear that I'm an artist, like, just by looking at this. I'm gonna grab the yellow again. I don't even know how to do that. Okay, just do the Gucci thing. Yeah, there, that works. Beautiful. Looks just like the real thing. Now we grab some more green. Do a little bit of that. Spectacular. Looks just like the real thing. And on the other side as well. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we grab our final color, the red. And then we do a little bit here. Amazing. As you can see, looks just like the real one. Then on this side. Okay. And there. And that's gonna do it, guys. Right here. Oh god. I can't get in shot, but it looks perfect. I think that's good enough. That's only way I could get it in shot. But that's gonna do it. Like, look at this. It looks just like the actual picture. Here's a visual representation. It doesn't want to focus. Okay, you're just gonna take my word for it. Yeah, but that's the whole video.